This tutorial will show you how to create a video or image post. Each time a post is created, the system will notify all the users who subscribe to the category filter. Each post is confidential, so only the user ID number is tagged to the post. The name of the participants are not shown. Please do the following to create a simple post. 1. Log into MMLS website. Please see login screen help video for more information. 2. Once you have a successful login screen, click on the How is your health button. 3. This will drop down the input fields. Select a category, enter a topic. And enter message or question in the Do you have a question or comment you would like to share? Text box. Four. Next, click the Picture button and then browse to the image file to attach a picture and create an image post. Five. To create a video post, click the Video button. 6. The system will display two options, A. To enter a previously created YouTube video ID, or B. Browse the video file on your computer. 7. Once the video is selected, the post will be created and display the video. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you, and goodbye.